welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and I think it's the summer to fall edit, maybe? We'll find out. As always, we have our trusty rusty screwdriver. We're gonna open her up. My husband and I just tried to walk in our woods. First off though, can we look at how tall this box is? It's very tall. And I think with this, you're supposed to get a free gift in it too, but I can't remember. If you haven't tried Wantable before, it's a subscription styling service. They do themed edits. There's a description down below. There's a referral link down below if you want to try it. It gives me credit if you do. Anyway, my husband and I were just trying to walk in our woods, and we had to turn around because the mosquitoes are so bad. My husband was in front of me and there's probably like 20 swarming him. So if you see me itching in this video, I'm trying to get this box open. If you see me itching in this video, that's why. I can already feel probably 4 spots that they probably got me. My back, my thigh, my ankle, and I think my back again, because there's 2 different spots that are itching. All right, here we go. Woo! She's a tall bundle. I'm just gonna have to dump her out. Hang on. You guys, I can't even lift her. Look. She's big. She's a tall bundle. Get my camera right. Ooh. That's fine. She is huge. Look at. From my elbow to right here is how tall this bundle is. I would say that's a fall bundle. Look at these sweaters. It's upside down. It's upside down even. Whew, okay, we have the mailer, send back the things you don't want to keep. I think this might be my free gift. Let's see, let's read our note, shall we? I didn't peek at all. You know, you can always kind of peek if you pretend that your bundle's here and you go to check out and you can see what they sent you. But you can only do that the day before it gets to your house, basically. Hi Rachel, time to look forward to days of to-dos with these 7 do-it-all styles I've selected for you. I made sure to pack this edit with comfy pieces that will have you building endless outfits for everything that comes up. Everything. So excited for you to try on these items that I've created especially for you. I added Absolution High-Rise Slim Straight and pairs well with almost anything. It's not a sentence. They're great for everyday wear and can be dressed up or down. Take the next 5 days. If you pick 5 or more things, you get 20% off. Joshua. Thanks, Joshua. All right. And this edit too, usually the style fee is $20. They were having a special where the styling fee was only $5. So I have $5.30 towards this box. All right. And it doesn't say anything about the free gift, but here it is. One time they ran out of the free gift for whatever edit it was. I feel like I'm off kilter. And they credited me $20, $30 or something. Oh, it's a little fanny pack. That's kind of cute. It's got a W on it for Wantable. Little W there. WB. That's cute. Okay, sweet. That's kind of nice. I do have who doesn't? Who doesn't have a fanny pack or belt bag as they're calling it nowadays? It's a fanny pack, folks. Let's not get it mixed up. But it's got a big pocket there and a little pocket there. I like the gold hardware. That's cute. So that's nice. I like it. And you get to keep it. It's free. Or if I don't keep anything, it was $5. All right, let's see. First up we have, these must be, they're by Democracy. Did I just keep something from Democracy? I don't know. I just kept a pair of jeans from a short story box. If you haven't seen my short stories, there they are. It's for petites. But I do like this wash. And it has a button fly. It's a nice gray wash. I don't mind the straight leg even because I like the wash. Those are cute. I think those are the Absolution because that's the only pair of pants I see in this. And we have a bright cobalt blue kind of cropped-ish sweater, very stretchy. Got some detail on the sleeve with some little knit details. I don't know what it's called, but it's nice. And we have, she's kind of cute too. Very fall, little long sleeve shirt, very soft. It's got nice little ribbed cuffing there, and it has some ribbing down the sides too. Let me show you the sides without the tag. Some ribbing down the sides. That's pretty cute. I like the color a lot. I wonder how much these all are, because as we know, Wantable is not the cheapest. And we have a, well, just a nice little thin green cardigan. We'll go over the prices and everything at the end, of course. Oh, has some button details on the side. All about the sides on these and pockets. Yep, buttons on this side too. That's cute. And, ooh, like a ribbed long sleeve gray dolman top. That's cute. Everything's been pretty cute so far. When's the last? Oh my God. It's a nice, cute little wrap top, but it's a bodysuit. Look at that mesh. Look at that mesh. Yep, and then we have a black cardigan, also very stretchy knit with some ASMR, with some brown buttons down the front. No pockets? No pockets. All right, let's try everything on. Here's the first top. I just put it on with my joggers that I had on because it's getting cold out even though there's mosquitoes. I like this. I think it's really cute. I like the big sleeves. It's very cozy. I like the rib detail on the side. Gives it a little something extra. I like the color. It's really soft. I think it goes good with my hair and my skin tone. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but I think it's really cute. It's like that slouchy feel. You just throw it on with a pair of jeans too. It's cute, little baseball hat. I don't have any hats up here, but I like it. It's good length. Good length as well. I think it's cute. Okay, let's do more. Here's another one. I don't know. I'm back. I don't know. I used to really like the dolman sleeves like this. And I still kind of do. Maybe, you know, things are cyclical. I like this. Does it, I think it's cute. I was gonna say, does it look kind of weird draping there? Maybe. But again, with some joggers, looks super cute. It'd probably be cute with some jeans as well. Here's the back. Again, and really nice length. And I like the sleeves, how it's like obviously tighter through here. I think it's cute. Okay, let's do more. Okay, first up, the jeans. They're not bad. They're not bad. I'll show you the whole thing. The pockets are strange though, because they have this here. You'd think those would be the pockets, but they're not. They're right here. So it's kind of interesting. They actually feel pretty good. I like the wash. I did just keep a pair of jeans though from Short Story, but they feel nice. But I know they're gonna be expensive because they're democracy. But here's the length. And then I know I shouldn't have put a green t-shirt on with it, but here's the length. And I like that the bottom has that released hem. So it's got some like darker on the very bottom for some interest. But they are cute. All right, then let's throw on a couple cardigans. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Don't know. It's fine. You guys are here for it. Oh, I gotta unbutton it all. Gosh darn it. Okay, hold please. Okay, I buttoned it back up. This cardigan is so stretchy. Don't you guys worry, I'm not stretching it out. It is this stretchy, okay? Very stretchy knit material. It's a good length. It covers, you know, your bootay. If you're to wear it with leggings or something, that'd be cute. I think it's not for me. Let's see how it looks without the buttons. I just don't think it's for me. I think it's too much black. Like it's too heavy on the top. Maybe if it were shorter. I guess open like that it's not as bad. But it's just not for me. But it's very soft, very stretchy. And here's the green cardigan. This is better, I think, lengthwise too, like how it drapes. It's got pockets. Did I say it had pockets for? No, the black one didn't. Has pockets, but, oh yeah, I forgot about the buttons. I forgot about the buttons on the side. I feel like you could get this you know, at Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something for $16.99, and I'm sure that is not what this is when we go over prices later. So this is gonna be a no as well. I did just buy a cardigan at Marshalls, I think for like $19.99 or something. So yeah. All right, let's do, I don't know what to do. Do we do the bodysuit or the blue? I think the blue is gonna be easier to get into. This blue is really nice. Oh, it's like stretchy, but form-fitting at the same time. Don't know how they did that, but this is very cute. The tops, they're knocking it out of the park with. I mean, I even like these jeans too. They do hold you in a little bit there. This is pretty. This is like the color of my bridesmaids' dresses. I like this. I like this color blue. It's very nice. It's probably expensive. Everything's expensive. I don't know. I like to get these Wantable boxes to show you guys what's out there. Sorry, my hair. My hair gets so messed up trying things on. It's fine. So yeah, this one's cute too. Very stretchy, very soft, very nice. Okay, let's brave the bodysuit. Here's the bodysuit. I feel like it doesn't need to be a bodysuit, and it has a modesty snap right here, and it's obviously not very modest for my bust. If it were a stretchy material, it'd be totally fine. It's a really pretty pattern. It's textured too. I don't know if you can see. If it'll zoom. I don't know, but it's got texture to it. It's really pretty. I think it's really nice for fall. The sleeves have the ruching. It's really pretty. Here's the mesh part. So it does go up very high, so you do have to wear high-waisted. These are the jeans I kept from my short story box. Yeah, definitely have to wear high-waisted for this. I think you could just tuck a shirt in normal and it would be fine. So no to this, but let's see what those 3 tops were and what we're gonna keep. Prices. Oh, it doesn't look good. All right, the Hassie Crew in light olive, size large. You guys, this is $69. I'm not paying $64 for a sweatshirt. Ugh, this is heartbreaking. The Fern cardigan in black, size large, $59. The open front cardigan in forest. The cardigans, sorry, this is 78 and Sunny, the black cardigan Z Supply, the green cardigans by Staccato, and both cardigans are $59. The Absolution High Rise Slim Straight in gray, size 14, originally $88, they are $66. So after my $5 off, they'd be $61, which, I don't know. The short sleeve wrap front floral, oh my god, you guys, okay, bodysuit in yellow, $59. The Andy pullover in Atlantic, size large, $79. And the Hassie rib long dolman sleeve top in taupe blue, it's gray, size large, by Wantable, $59. Yellow tops by Lush, blue tops by Gentle Fawn, and then my Wantable belt bag in black was free, $5. Ay, yay, people. Merchandise total, $450 right here. If you keep 5 or more, you get a discount though. So, you know, if I keep 5 or more, it's only $376. Wantable. I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything. I really liked this and this, and I did like this too. But if I kept this, it'd be $54. Might as well pay, you know, $7 more and get a pair of jeans. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is awful. Everything was pretty cute though. They were good items. I'm just not willing to spend that much right now on something. Jeez Louise, you know what it is that I went to Marshalls today, and you know, when you get something at Marshalls for $19.99 and then you get stuff like this, it ruins it for you. But everything was pretty cute, gotta say. You know, nothing was bad, nothing was ugly. Anyway, Anywho, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything anticlimactic, or maybe it is. If you've come this far, maybe comment a mountain emoji down below, if there is such a thing. Yeah, do that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.